This video is a gift guide that is packed with inspiration for all the crafty, creative, journal-loving people out there. I have 7 different categories for you guys to choose from, and I promise you there is going to be an item for every budget and every personality out there. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box down below. There are a lot of items to choose from, so let's get started. Naturally, the first item on this gift guide are journals. With the new year coming quickly after the holidays, it is the perfect time to gift someone a journal. My personal favorite brands that I promise are good quality are Paperidge, Moleskine, and Leuchtturm 1917s. You can also gift a recipe journal, which I think are super sweet, and here are a few really cute ones that I found online. Along a similar vein to journals are planners. This is another gift that's really great to give during this time of year because New Year is just around the corner, and planners always help people feel organized and refreshed to start the year. Stickers! You can never go wrong with this gift, and I promise you, if you have a stationery lover in your life, they will tell you that they can never have enough stickers. If you need a really affordable option, Daiso has a really cute, affordable range of stickers, and if you're wanting to shop small, here are a few small businesses that I personally love or have had friends personally recommend as well. Stationery. Now I just mentioned stickers, but in terms of stationery, you can also gift notepads, scrapbook paper, and washi tape. You can find stationery at places like Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, or even Target. But again, if you're wanting to shop small, here are some great small businesses that you can shop from. Ransom Note Letter Sticker Book. This is one of my favorite purchases this year. This book has all of these different letter stickers and numbers and symbols for you to put into your journal. They just elevate your journal and just add this cute, fun, playful touch to every page. I own this sticker book and I love it. Journal clips. This is a really small gift. It could be a cute stocking stuffer, but having a clip on your journal is really helpful when it starts to get chunky or it starts to curl up, or maybe you just need it to just sit more flat. So it could be a really good gift for the journaler or artist in your life. A label maker. This is also one of my most prized possessions of this year. A label maker adds another dimension to your journal pages. Not only that, but it can get pretty addicting labeling different things in your craft room or even different kitchen items like spice jars or storage containers. Sticker book notebooks. This is on my personal wish list, and I just discovered that these existed, but these books are made out of special reusable sticker release paper. And that means that you can store your stickers inside of this book and you can easily peel them off as well. I know sometimes I'll have like stray stickers. It's just nice to have a place where you can neatly organize all the stickers that you have. Next category is cozy hobbies. Coloring books. This has been my favorite hobby that I've picked up this year, and the best part about these books that I'm going to link down below is that they are not stressful like the coloring books in the past that are like so intricate and too many fine details that it actually stresses you out. No, I personally don't like those books. These books that I'm going to link are just cute, easy to color, and I love the coloring books by Vivi Tinta, Coco Wayo, and Elijah Deck. Alcohol-based markers. If you're going to give the gift of coloring books, you absolutely need to pair it with alcohol-based markers. Not water-based, alcohol-based markers. These markers are game-changing, and it is truly mind-blowing how amazing these markers look on paper. They just give you such a clean, streak-free finish. It is amazing. Uniball white gel pen. This is something I see a lot of people use when they're making their coloring pages. Adding white outlines to their coloring page just makes it pop that much more and just brings even more depth to your page. So I have yet to try this out, but am again adding this to my wish list. Puzzles. And along with that, a puzzle mat or a puzzle board. Lego sets. This is one of those gifts where you can really base the set off of the person's interests that you're shopping for. Also, it's a really great date night gift. Nintendo Switch. Along with the Nintendo Switch, you can also gift custom Joy-Cons. A Kindle. Along with the Kindle, you can also gift cute Kindle charms. Furthermore, you can gift a Kindle stand and a Kindle clicker, because sometimes once you really start getting into reading, you want to be in a really cozy position. Like you want to literally be wrapped up in the blanket, and so you can't hold your Kindle, but it's nice to have a stand, and then when you're wrapped in the blanket, you have your clicker, and then you can read your book that way. I know, It's extra, it's first world problems, but if you already have a Kindle lover in your life, Kindle stand and a clicker will definitely elevate their cozy Kindle game. And lastly, for the cozy hobby category, if you have a cozy gamer in your life, you can give them a desk mat or a computer stand. Next category is craft kits and DIY projects. There are so many pre-made kits and projects for you to try, so I'm just gonna list off a bunch of them. Paint by numbers, sticker by numbers, diamond paintings, perler beads, embroidery kits, mosaic kits, crochet kits, and you can gift clay kits. For the clay kits, I like the brands Potted and Sculpt, and I also like the brand Claymoo. I will say Claymoo is the cutest brand that I've ever tried. It's all cute pastries and they make the perfect date night gift. Going back to crochet kits, my favorite brand is the Woobles brand because it is perfect for beginners. They have really clear instructions on how to crochet. They have so many cute options for you to choose from. They have everything from like Snoopy, Harry Potter, Sanrio, the Pusheen cat. There are just so many cute options to choose from, so I would highly recommend that brand for crochet kits. Other projects that you can try that are not necessarily kits are free little libraries that you can get on Etsy, as well as clear phone cases or clear laptop cases so that the crafty person in your life can make their own personalized case using pictures that they pick out. Another DIY project you can try is making trinket tins. These tins are super cute for keeping like stickers, trinkets, and tiny keepsakes in. I'm gonna link my friend's Etsy shop because she makes kits for you to make these trinket tins, and she also has a bunch of other cute items to shop for. The last item in this DIY category is this book, The Art of Memory Collecting by Martina Calvi. This is such a beautifully written book filled with so many stunning photos. It also has 15 different crafty projects for you to try. If you have a craft lover in your life, I highly, highly recommend this book. Moving on to category number 4, crafty storage. We have a craft cart, perfect for putting your different art supplies in, or it can also be a place for you to store your books. Very versatile. We also have a craft storage box. Again, just another way to store your art supplies. It can be very easy to grab on the go if you wanted to journal or craft at a coffee shop or something like that. There's different layers, also very compact, perfect for on the go crafting. Washi tape dispenser. This is a great way to display your washi tape. There are also dispensers that come with a cutter so that you can rip off the washi tapes while it's on the dispenser. Marker storage boxes. Going back to my love for alcohol-based markers, it's really nice to organize your markers in a way where you can see all the colors that you have. So Ohuhu does have a bamboo storage box, but there are other brands as well on Amazon where you can display your markers. Next category is photo tools. Being able to fill your journal with photos is such a great way to keep memories. And having your own printer can be really helpful with that, especially a portable printer. So 2 portable printers I recommend are the Canon Ivy or the Kodak mini printers. There is also an Instax mini printer, which is on my wish list, and this is a printer that will turn any photo you have into a Polaroid photo. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you can get a Canon Selfie. This is a little bit bigger than your portable printers, but this is such a great option for you to print photos at home. It has really vibrant colors, and the colors are just much more accurate and true to the actual photo in comparison to the portable printer quality. Highly, highly recommend the Canon Selfie. I have so many friends who use it and photography friends who swear by it. Moving on to our next category, which is trinkets, collectibles, and display items. If you have someone in your life who likes trinkets, you can give them Smiskies or Sunny Angels. Also give them Jellycats, cute phone straps or phone charms. A display item could be a rotating display book tower if you have a bookworm in your life. Lastly, just because I thought this was cute, you can gift a miniature locker. This would be perfect for decorating with stickers and just having something cute on your little desk. A lot of the times, the crafty creative people in your life are showcasing their art on social media. So having different content creator tools can be really, really helpful for them. Some things that you could gift them are box lights, tripods, memory cards, because when you're taking a ton of videos, the storage racks up quick on your phone, and having a memory card is really, really helpful. You can also give them a flash drive for their phones, which is really cool. You just connect the flash drive into your phone and you can move all the photos and videos directly into it and then plug it into your computer later. The last item in this category is a Canvas 360 mount tripod. This is on my wish list, and this is really, really helpful for getting top down, like aerial view shots of whatever work you have in front of you. It's great because it's hands-free. You don't have to worry about like a tripod being in front of you, and it's really, really great for like the art process and just having a smoother workflow. The very last category for this video is just miscellaneous essentials. Headphones. There are the AirPod Maxes or the Sony headphones. If you enjoy hobbies, you often like to listen to music or listen to like an audiobook while you're doing it, and there's something about having cute headphones that just brings everything together. Book sleeves or Kindle sleeves, cute iPad cases, cute mugs or pretty glasses for iced drinks, straw toppers, cozy lights. Very last and maybe most unique item on my gift guide is the gift of experience. You can gift your loved one an experience that they can have online or in person. For an online option, you can check out Uncommon Goods, which is a website filled with so many different and unique classes to take. There are things like cooking classes, songwriting classes, floral arrangement classes. I even saw DIY dog treat classes. That is just like a sliver of all of the unique classes you can take online. Definitely check that website out and scroll through all of the uncommon, unique experiences they have. We have finally come to the end of this crafty holiday gift guide. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what is on your wish list. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video.